hopefully you saw the last part when we had all the suspension out of the Charger. It was all rusted and cruddy and all that stuff. And just kind of quick, wanted to run by you guys. We had everything powder coated. The customer wanted that. It's not going to be a perfectly correct car. Here's the 8 3/4 housing, the front K-member, and then I already went ahead and we pressed in all the new good bushings, the good, Moog ball joints. One thing I did want to run, just looking at it, it reminds me right now, this is a great thing you guys should know about, okay? On these lower control arms, this is a original style bushing, okay? Man, I can't stress enough, this is what you want to put it in your control arm. I don't want to piss anybody off, but most of these companies are selling you that polyurethane one that just goes, you take it, you leave the old sleeve in there, which is why they do it, because that sleeve is a nightmare to get out. Of course, I've got tricks of doing it, and it's still hard to get out. And then you take that polyurethane, bushing, you put it in there, it's absolute garbage. I mean, the whole weight of the car is sitting on here. You guys need to understand that. And the factory did it, it lasted 40 years. So this is all I use. I don't care how hard it is to put in. Do it. Don't let nobody talk you into using that polyurethane garbage, because that's literally what it is. And some of you guys are probably going to want to argue that on me. I see them split, they come out, all kinds of stuff. So go through the trouble, put the correct bushings in it. I love the Moog stuff. Again, we're not sponsored by Moog, but I love their stuff. I have no problems with it, and it fits great. So that's it. I just kind of wanted to run that by you guys. Here's the front K-member, all powder coated. And then we'll be doing a little bit later on, I'm going to be doing a, how to put the pumpkin in the rear end. It's super easy, guys. Again, I really want to shoot for you guys at home that you could do this, right? So I'm going to show you how to put the pumpkin in, put your axles in, all that stuff. It's super simple. It's just, laborious, but we'll be going through that.